Okay, I'm pretty sure most of you had heard of the add-on called Genesis. Well, Genesis, pretty much isn't working anymore. So the creator of Genesis made Exodus, and Exodus, when he made it, and he's also being pretty adamant, saying that he's not going to be putting a favorites list or playlist on there, which is a pain in the ass because each time, you can't put movies in your favorites, TV shows, or see what you've watched, any of that. So I'm going to show you how to get this add-on called SPECTO. It's a fork. It's exactly like Genesis, has the favorites and all that, the playlist, and it's exactly like it, just a different name, and it's working great. So first we're going to go over to System, and then File Manager. Click on that, add source. For the source, we're gonna put http ://film KODI.com/ I put a comma .com / repository. Then click done. It's gonna automatically put the name as repository. That's okay. Then we're gonna click OK. Now once that adds, we're gonna go back to the home screen. Then we're gonna go to System, go to Add-ons, install from zip file, and then click on repository. And then click on the bottom one where it says repository filmkodi.com zip. That's what you want. Now once that's finished downloading, we're gonna go to install from repository, and you'll get a notification saying that it's done. filmkodi.com repository Mr. No. That's what you're gonna want to find right there. That's what it should look like. We're gonna click on that, and then click video add-ons, and then you want to click on SPECTO fork, and you see looks pretty much exactly like Genesis, is pretty much Genesis with a different name. Then we're gonna install. Don't worry when it gets stuck on downloading 3%. That's normal, it happens every time. But there you go, it's enabled. You'll get the notification down there. Now let's go test it out. Let's go to TV shows. Most popular. We'll click on The Walking Dead. I'm gonna left click, or on your remote it's gonna be the button with the 3 lines on it next to the home button, and then there you go. You could add to favorites. We'll just show add to favorites. Boom, notification saying added to favorites. Now just to test our theory, we'll go over to the favorites, which is the star. And once it's added to the favorites, you'll get it every time. It'll show up in your favorites. Or you can go to the actual app and we'll just click on favorite. And there you go. It's gonna show the newest episodes of the newest season added to your favorites. So if you guys like this video, sorry. If you guys like this video, you know, press like, subscribe, share it, whatever you guys do. Alright, see you guys in the next video.